everyone. I'm here to walk you through image B and try and use this evidence to support the claim that inheritable genetic variations may result from one of these three options. So here we have a strand of DNA. So we have a normal sequence of DNA in this image. And then down here is a mutated DNA sequence. So this is really important that we're looking at the DNA because DNA is only mutated when it gets replicated. So remember that process where we unzip the DNA and then the DNA polymerase comes in and pairs up all the base pairs. In this situation, we have an error. So typically, this is our strand of DNA right here. So the CTC would pair, and this codon would then read and produce glutamic acid. Okay. However, down here in our mutated sequence, rather than that T, the replication accidentally made an A. And as a result, we ended up with the incorrect amino acid sequence. So the glutamic acid, instead of being that, turned into valine. So that means this resulting protein that will come from all these amino acids bonding together will be different. Okay, this is just one situation. Sometimes the DNA that gets mutated isn't even DNA that codes for a protein. So it's not always that these mutations occur, but they do occur. Okay, so some hints that I put on here that might help you out when you're trying to explain this and support that claim is that there's 3 billion nucleotides that get copied every single time DNA is replicated. Okay, and then whenever those bases get copied, there's enzymes that come in to actually try and make sure there aren't any errors happening. So most errors, if they do happen, they are harmless. However, there are still errors because 3 billion sets of bases to be paired up, that's a lot. Okay, this can lead to our genes being expressed differently or maybe not even at all. So maybe this right here coded for a different gene, maybe another one, all of that fun stuff. So hopefully that can help you to answer this standard or support the standard with one of those 1, 2, or 3 statements. Good luck.